How to enable dark mode on Discord mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Discord mobile. First, open the Discord app and log in to your account. Now, go to the U tab by tapping on it at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the gear icon to reach the settings. After that, select the appearance option and choose the app theme. Now, it will show you different themes and select the dark theme. Lastly, go to the control center and enable the dark mode here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.